Welcome students. This is Social Science class 7th standard History lesson number 2 Bahmani Adil Shahs. In the last video we had discussed about introduction of Bahmani Sultans, the role of Muhammad Gawan and the contributions of Bahmani Sultans in the field of literature, education, art and architecture. Afterwards, we have discussed about the contribution of Adil Shahs in the field of education, in the field of literature, in the field of music, fine arts, and we are discussing about art and sculpture. This is 6th video. If you have not watched the previous video, please check in the playlist. Today, let us continue the contribution of Adil Shahs in the field of art and sculpture about the glorious mosques constructed in their period of time. The contribution of Adil Shahs in the field of art and sculpture. In that, we have discussed about fort and palaces in the last video. Today, let us continue their contributions in constructing mosques. First great contributions of Adil Shahs to construct Jama Masjid. Ali Adil Shah built Jama Masjid. It is famous for its very wide prayer hall and it is a common building without any decorations, as well as it has different new style among other art monuments. So this is the speciality about Jama Masjid. Ali Adil Shah built Jama Masjid. Next great contribution is Ibrahim Roza. Ibrahim Roza built by Ibrahim Adil Shah II in the memory of his wife Taj Begum and he constructed in Vijaypura. Ibrahim Roza has the tombs of Ibrahim and his relatives and it is the only Roza in India and it is called as Taj Mahal of South India. Ibrahim Roza built by Ibrahim Adil Shah and it is called as Taj Mahal of South India. The mosques and tombs are built on the elevated platform with a garden around them and they also decorated with compound wall around it. This is called Roza. So, mosque and tomb are built on the elevated platform with a garden around them and compound wall also around it they constructed. This is called Roza. Next great contribution in the field of art and sculpture is Gol Gumbaz. Muhammad decided in order to build something that is even bigger and greater than Roza. Afterwards, he built Gol Gumbaz, a tomb in 1656 CE at Vijaypura. So when you go to Vijaypura, you can see beautiful dome tomb Gol Gumbaz. It has a big dome with a whispering chamber inside. So when you reach this level, inside it, you can see the whispering chamber. It is a fine example for the technology of that time, where the artists have used in their buildings. Like this, Gol Gumbaz is the second largest dome in the world and the first largest dome in India. Here is a photo of Gol Gumbaz, beautifully constructed by the artist we found in Vijaypura. This is one of the glorious contributions in the field of art and sculpture. And inside, we'll see the tomb of Adil Shah, his queen and their children tomb. They kept inside Gol Gumbaz. And here we found whispering wall inside it. 7 floors are there and you can climb and you can reach up to whispering wall place. And while climbing, you can see the beauty and scenes of Bijapur or Vijaypura. Here is a photo of Malliki Maidan, Firangi they used in their wartime in Vijaypura during the Adil Shah Empire. And this is a photo of Jumma Mosque of Vijaypura. It is located in Vijaypura, Jumma Mosque. Now let us discuss which are the other important monuments which are available in this period. One is Bara Kaman, Bade Kaman, Ananda Mahal, Upli Buruj, Taj Bawdi, Chand Bawdi, and other monuments are important ones in this dynasty. So these are the other contributions of art and sculpture by artists to construct monuments in this period. Let us discuss about chronological period. C means common era. First one, the reign of Bahmani kingdom established 1347 to 1527 CE. Second one, establishment of madrasa in Bida in 1461 CE. Third one, reign of Adil Shahs 1489 to 1672 CE. Fourth, construction of Ibrahim Roza 1626 CE. Construction of Gol Gumbaz 1656 CE. Now I will review some of the important points whatever we have discussed today. The contribution of Adil Shahs in constructing mosque by artists, the famous one Jama Masjid, Ibrahim Roza, Gol Gumbaz constructed in 1656 at Bijapur, and it is the second largest dome in the world and the first largest dome in India. And other important monuments of this period is Bara Kaman, Bade Kaman, Anand Mahal, Upli Buruj, Chand Bawdi. In this way, they gave prominence to improve art and sculpture, constructing mosques and mahals in their period of time. With this point, we will conclude the explanation about Bahmani Adil Shah's lesson. In next of my video, I will discuss about question and answers. Thank you, children.